Hey guys, thank you so much for all your love, all your support and everything that you have done to take this channel where we are today. We are around 13,000 subscribers and I'm very grateful that you guys love this channel. You guys love the videos and thank you so much for all your love. And today I have a small announcement for you guys. I'm going to change the channel name from AppleFrendly to Friendly Vikas. The reason is we couldn't use AppleFrendly name throughout the internet. That name itself is already used by someone else, so we couldn't use the correct spelling and I had to readjust the spelling, so that affects the channel and we couldn't have the consistency throughout the internet. So that's the reason we are going to change the name. And why Friendly Vikas? Well, friendly is the word which is so much associated with this channel that I didn't want to give it up. I wanted to use that word. The type of videos that we make on this channel are very friendly in nature. Everyone can understand them. I hope you guys agree with that, and that's the reason I'm using that friendly word. And Vikas is my name, so Friendly Vikas would be the channel name, and this will reflect throughout all the internet and all social media accounts. So I hope this goes well with the channel, and I hope you guys will start recognizing me as Friendly Vikas and will switch from AppleFrendly to Friendly Vikas. Since you guys have subscribed to this channel, it is my duty to give you guys some exclusive content. Now I'm planning a content which is normally not covered by other YouTubers, so it would be exclusive for you guys and I want you to get benefit of that. So I hope you guys will like that exclusive content. And this is my small setup where I shoot everything, I edit everything and upload for you guys. So if you're really interested, let me know and I'll show you all the stuff that I use here on this channel. And thank you so much for being here. There are people who are there on this channel from the beginning, so thank you so much. I love you all. Keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing the videos. This keeps me motivating. As you all know, I'm a working guy like you all. I have a 9-to-5 job. I go to job, I come back home and then I start working on videos, and it takes a lot of inspiration, a lot of motivation. So I need your support for that, and please keep engaging with the videos and let's keep this momentum going on. And again, if you haven't checked my another channel, I want you to go ahead and check out the channel. There is a link down in the description below, and on that channel I share some quick tips and tricks which would be helpful for you guys, and I want you to get benefit of that. So that's all for today. Keep loving the channel. Thank you so much. I love you all and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.